Good morning, it's Mark here from Dang Good. What's on the agenda today? Well, how about some dang good window cleaning? It's a beautiful sunny day here in Calgary, can't beat the weather, so it's going to be quite enjoyable to take you along for the ride to do some window cleaning here in Calgary. Dang Good window cleaning here. We're here in Calgary on a job site, beautiful sunny day. We're going to show you a little bit about what we do in window cleaning here. On this particular home, we're using the pole-fed water system. It's a fantastic system, folks. It's amazing. There's no ladders involved. Leaves your windows really clean, spotless in fact, or should we say dang good clean. So folks, I'm going to show you here a little demonstration on how this works. And if you just follow me here, I'm going to show you, this is our pole-fed system here. So as you can see, we have a garden in front of the house, so we don't need to put any ladders in the garden. We don't need to walk in the garden, get mud everywhere. This is a big deal, a big concern for a lot of customers. And as you can see here, I got this pole extended. And what we're going to do is we're just going to scrub the window just like this. And with this pole-fed system, it is pure water cleaning. So the water leaves no marks on the window whatsoever and literally dry, spot free. As you can see, I'm just giving the window a nice little scrub, and this will take all the built up scum and debris and bird droppings if there are any. And you just want to make sure you get good coverage. Just simple as that, folks. We give them a nice rinse after we've cleaned them, just like so. This is a very important process, just to give the window a sheer rinse. And as you can see, it does not take very long to get those difficult windows cleaned up. Now, we got a lower window on here, so I'm just gonna scooch down here a little bit to the next one, and we're gonna get the trim as well while we're there. Now, I'm just gonna give this fella a scrub here. I'll tell you, it sure is nice not to have to throw ladders into the customers' gardens. Never mind the safety issue. Climbing ladders is a dangerous game here, and we'd rather play safe. So once again, just going to give that window a nice rinse off, and as quick as that, just as quick as that, folks, that's one dang good clean window. Hi folks, Mark again from Dang Good Window Cleaning. Just want to give you another example of our pole-fed water system for cleaning windows. And again, as you can see here, folks, we're at the front of the home, and we got a high window here above the front door. Typically, you'd need a ladder to reach this one as well. As you can see, I've got the pole set up here, all ready to go, and here we go. Once again, just put the brush on the window, start at the top, right in that corner up there, and start scrubbing. This is quite a dirty window. I'm not quite sure it's going to show on camera with the glare, but boy, this window is very dirty. We're going to have to give this one a little extra TLC to get her clean. There's quite a bit of bird droppings on this window as well. So let's give that a little extra clean, and that's coming off completely. Excellent. We want to make sure we leave these windows nice and clean. A good sized window as well. Want to make sure you get good coverage on it. Down a bit here. And make sure you get all the way to the bottom. Don't want to miss anything. Very important. Again, nice to do this without any ladders. Nobody's going to fall. Just got to watch where you're stepping on the ground so you don't trip over your equipment. That's the important thing. Again, we're getting all edges of this window. This will take down any little bits and pieces. It'll all come off. And then again, this window will dry spot free. Nice and easy. Back and forth. Just like that, folks. Nothing like having nice clean windows in your home. I know in my home they get a little dirty. Boy, I don't like looking out those dirty windows. So with our system here, folks, we get you nice and clean, safely. Once again, bring that all the way down to the bottom, finish it off, and folks, you got a perfectly clean window. Now, once again, folks, once again here at Dang Good, very important, we always strive to be the best at everything we do. Give us a call if you want some dang good clean windows.